What's going on, guys? We're back, and I know in the last video I did, I just cut it off and I didn't finish the unboxing. And yes, this unboxing is my KVD kit. I haven't opened it, but I just flap it a little bit open so I could get everything out for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Let's see how it looks, because I'm tired of the Miata looking like that. Okay. So I did here, we have to apply some heat. So we're gonna leave that there. Let's get the next one. What's in here? Oh. You know what, let me put the camera down. Okay. What else is here? Alright, we'll leave this right here. Hopefully that comes back into place. There's not that much heat out here. Hopefully this thing opens, because real quick I gotta head to the paint store and I gotta go buy the same color to match the Miata. We'll probably take the go-kart out today. We should buy a body kit for the go-kart, freaking, or drift cart. Alright, so I'm tired of the Miata looking like this. So what I'm gonna do is I still have the same color code from when I purchased the paint. So I'm gonna go see if they could put that in a can. It's a paint shop. I don't want to use the gun and everything, so I do know that they have a method where they just put the same like color matching in a can. So we're gonna go check it out. Hopefully we could get that, so we could install this today and get this body kit going, man. I know it needs a little bit more heat. If it doesn't work, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get the hair dryer, because you know us Miata guys have freaking, you know, the hair dryers up in the Miata and their glove department, whatever. So we'll get the hair dryer, the hair blower, whatever, heat this down, and hopefully they open up pretty good. Pretty sure they are. They do got a little bit of bend here, but it's nothing big. They do tend to like be the world's freaking strongest body kits. And you know, hopefully this thing opens up. Gotta keep opening it and we'll see how it goes. It looks pretty good though, I'm not gonna lie. You know, this thing's looking a little solid. So we're gonna go get some sandpaper real quick, make sure we sand this down just a little bit, and get it up to spec so we can get this painted and get this out of here. We're gonna be taking the damn zombie truck, because I'm not trying to freaking drive the Miata right now. I've been driving it all week. Hopefully I have a mask, because now that's a big problem in this world when you don't got a mask. But let's go. Alright fam, so we're back. We got some good news and some bad news. I went to the paint store and they didn't, well they did, they could have put everything in a can, but it comes out to like 35 bucks a can, and I'm gonna need like at least 4 cans here, you know. So we have, you know, the bumper that we have right here, which is already almost in full formation. Oh, it already is. Looks like we're good to go. That's probably like a little bent right here. So that's good to go. We got this going. So it looks like we're all good to go, to be honest. It's not that hot out here. I'm gonna bring the heat gun and then apply some heat on it. far so good. You know, this thing's coming out pretty solid. What do you think, Simba? What do you think? Huh? What do you think is going on? Why are you so quiet? Yeah, Simba is bald, man. They had to shave him down. He's an inside dog. Back again, but yep, looks like we're good to go. Gotta go ahead and find my tarp. I don't know where my tarps are at. I have one in the back of my truck, and then I'm gonna lay these on top and spray them. So let's get this going. Alright fam, just like that, I already went ahead and painted them. Tomorrow, I'm not gonna try to paint them on the tarp because I know like all the dirt's on the bottom. I am gonna give it a little small wet sand before I paint it, just a little coat. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow freaking it's not windy or anything, because freaking California, where I live in the desert, somehow it tends to be windy freaking out of nowhere. So let's go. So yeah guys, I'll see you in a bit. What's going on fam? Today we are back. Let me make sure this camera's clean. We all good. So yeah, yesterday I primered the body kit. Came out pretty good, freaking nice and smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and actually start spraying this down and getting it ready for the actual coat. Everything came out pretty smooth. I like it. You know, there's like little hairs here and there, but nothing that we can't fix. So we're gonna be painting this right now. All I'm waiting for now is just to get the compressor on. I was waiting for everybody to wake up because the compressor's pretty loud. So we're gonna get that going. Let's actually start mixing up the paint and get this painted. Alright, so I already got everything set up. I didn't want to do it on the floor. Look at that damn fly. Fuck out of here. Motherfucker. But yeah, I already got everything out here lined up, ready to go. Freaking, I just gotta get the little tack remover and start making sure there's nothing on here that I don't want on here. And then from there, we get this thing rolling and we get the hell out of here. We start painting. Alright, so we went ahead and painted it earlier. You guys saw that I was spraying it. It came out pretty good, no lie. It painted pretty good. I'm not gonna complain or anything. Everything came out nice. It's just I gotta freaking put them on now. And there's like no freaking sun out today, so they're like not drying, you know. But oh yeah, these are kind of dry already. It's just some spots are freaking still wet. But besides that, came out pretty good. Probably gonna slap these on already. I wonder how these go. I haven't even like looked at anything. I wonder how they go because they face a certain way. So I'm pretty sure this one goes in the front, or we'll figure it out. But let's get these on already. Hopefully if I'm having trouble where I'm freaking scratching it up, I'm just gonna stop and then finish it tomorrow. But if I could do it right now is the way to go. All right, check this out. So damn, my GoPro's about to die too. But so I figured out how I'm gonna do it. Pretty plain and simple. I had a brick, I lift it, I push the brick on there. It's like perfect height to hold it. And from there, it's pretty common sense. We're gonna rivet this shit in. We're gonna put one here, we're good to go. But besides that, look at that, guys. That thing's coming out pretty fresh, pretty sick. Same color as the Miata, looking fucking dope, man. And then we're gonna put the front bumper. Probably gonna polish these lights up. I gotta get rid of this front bumper anyway, because we gotta get the bracket that's in there, so we could add that bracket onto that one, to the KBD one, so this one could fit. I'm probably gonna wipe down the hood before I do anything. Alright fam, so check this out. I already put the side skirts on, which is pretty cool. I do gotta go buy a longer, what are they called? Whatever the tap screws. I'll show you exactly why. Because it doesn't clear it right here and I want to put it on there. Also, they're not gonna be chrome like this. I'm gonna paint those. I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do it in a bit. I just gotta let the camera charge. So once you want to mount your first your bumper, you're gonna want to take off. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws, which are Phillips screws, and then this bracket will come off, and then this bracket will come off, and then you're gonna want to take off the back bracket. It might be a little crusty like mine, especially like right here, that little wedge. So all you gotta do is unwedge it out. So this bracket was from the inside of here, right? And I have the other ones in the back, which I'm gonna go get real quick. It's coming out a little bit easier than what I thought. I thought I was gonna have a little bit more trouble, but I guess not. Where are those brackets at? Those ones right there. So these ones are gonna go in last. So I guess what it does is sandwiches the bumper on there. Alright guys, we are back. Yesterday I stopped recording due to that I couldn't finish this bumper due to that it was way too freaking like wet. That fly's been on there since yesterday, stuck. I think it's dead. But yeah, I stopped messing with it yesterday because the paint's too wet and I can't force anything on there. So what I'm gonna do is I waited till the morning to finish it, putting it on, and now it's the morning and we're gonna wait to see what we could do and get this shit going on finally. Alright fam, so check this out. We already got it installed. Pretty common sense. Explain to you guys what I did. I wasn't able to use those brackets, but all I did was just match up the holes on the inside that I can't show you on there because it's a little bit dark in there. So it's these holes, but just on that bumper. Just match them up, threw some screws in there. What else? A lot of my brackets are missing. I ripped them out, never needed them, but today I kind of needed them to hold the sides of the bumper. But what I did is I just grabbed some zip ties and they're holding on from the sides. Also my fenders are a little bit off, just a little bit, but that's due to that when I had my big wheels, the ones that are on the 240, I had to like freaking stretch the shit out the fenders because those are, I think those are 17s. I'm not too sure. I'm pretty sure they're 17s, but I had to like stretch them because damn, they were rubbing. Let me go ahead and finish this up, and then we're gonna move out the car to the street so we can get a little walk around of the body kit, show you guys how it looks without no back bumpers. You guys already know I don't need a back bumper because I got the bash bar. Alright guys, so check it out. This is my body kit. I have a light out. Well, it's okay. I'll stop by O'Reilly's in a bit, fix that light. But it looks pretty good actually, you know. Not besides that the body kit's cleaner than the freaking car. I can't wash the car yet, but I might end up washing it pretty soon. Man, tell me this freaking intercooler setup doesn't look clean. Looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty good. I like it. Just my car needs a little wash. Oh yeah, one thing. Remember how I told you guys that I used the rivet screws? You guys can't really see them no more because with the extra paint that I had, I just went ahead and grabbed a little brush and painted them. So they're not like all white. They're not white but chrome. So hell yeah, man, I'm freaking stoked. Like I'm gonna take it for a drive right now. I gotta go to the store, gotta go buy some stuff for the next video. Stay tuned for the next video. Next video is gonna be freaking cool. Well, I'm not sure if I'm gonna post that one on the next one, but I will have some more content coming. But yeah, looks pretty clean, man. I freaking like the way it looks. So KBD, this is a pretty cool kit, man. I'm hoping to last longer than me freaking buying front bumpers or front you know, lips, because I'm tired of buying front lips. So I just went ahead and went with the body kit instead. They do have warranty, so if if your kit breaks, you don't have to like worry about buying another kit. They got warranty, but I think it's only to like what is that thing? I'm not sure if it's like it's a certain type of warranty. Like if you mess it up, I don't think they warranty it, but I think if like it's due to the road, they go ahead and warranty it. So yeah, I would definitely cop a KBD kit. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. Freaking, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. I'll try to post up soon. Peace out.